Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Are you having problems receiving invitations on your PlayStation 4? Well, I have an easy solution for you. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So you're on your PlayStation 4 right now and you're not receiving any invitations and they're not showing up under the notification section. What do? Well, the first thing you want to check is to make sure your privacy settings are set to anyone. So let's go to settings, go down to account management. Now go down to privacy settings. And we're gonna look into personal info and messaging. So let's select the last one. Now let's scroll down to messages and select anyone. This may be on no one or friends only. Let's put it to anyone. So anyone can send us an invitation, voice, or chat message. So that's set to anyone. Go to confirm. Now let's back out of this screen and go back to the main setting menu. And go down to notifications now. And go to pop-up notifications. And we want to make sure messages are turned on. And also invitations are turned on. If these are turned off, you won't receive a pop-up notification on your screen, so you won't know if someone is sending you game advice. So now anyone can send you an invite and the pop-up will show up on the screen. If it's still not showing up on the screen, one quick and easy thing you can do is hold down the PlayStation button, go to power, and log out of your PlayStation 4. Then go ahead and select your profile and log in. Sometimes I have found this actually helps prompt a notification to show up on your screen. And sometimes I log in and there's 3 or 4 different notifications in the notification section now. If this still doesn't work, reset your internet, restart your PlayStation 4. Maybe that is the problem that you are having also. So if this video did indeed help you out, get notifications back on your screen, go ahead and leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more PlayStation 4 tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.